Traders, I'm recording a video because I entered a high probability setup to the upside. It's fairly simple trade. We have the highest high, first attempt by the market to go up, pull back, second attempt by the market to go up. Why am I thinking about buying it? Because this bullish spike up, this uptrend, needs new high according to trendline rules. So even though I'm in a trend range, the short-term channels still need to get new high. This is a one rejection of the key entry point, second rejection of the key entry point. So we have double rejection of the EMA, big bullish bar, second entry long, some scalping for 12 ticks, 8 contracts, stop loss has to go 1 tick below the signal bar, and leaving the runner around these highs in case we're gonna catch major move. So I expect prices to make the new high and reach the resistance here. Let's see if we can make the scalp. It's pretty textbook trade, so I'm very confident in this one, but no matter how confident I am, I still need to place the stop loss because anything can happen in trading, and in case I'm wrong or just some spike in volatility happens, I need to close my trade early and not give it too much room because you want to follow the money management strategy that you have. Alright traders, we reached our scalp, so I'm gonna place the stop loss to break even, and I'm gonna take the runner around these highs. We are in a trend range, so we can go back into range eventually. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten the runner below this swing. Once again, we have a breaking new high, so we can reverse down anytime, but I still want to give it a little bit more room in case we keep going higher. So I'm gonna keep tightening this and just moving my target profit higher, and we will either reach the profit or we get stopped. So you can see we made another push up. I tighten this again because you can take it, let's say, around 6 points here, 6.5 points. But in case there's going to be some bullish momentum kicking in the market, I just still want to be part of the game. So this is how I tighten this. We're either going to hit the target profit or hit the stop loss. Either way, we're already around 6 points. So it's fantastic runner so far. All right, traders. So it looks like we're going to get 7.5 points. This is actually a good bonus to get. So I'm tightening this like this, and 7.5 points looks like it's going to be our take profit right now. Traders, I'm recording another video because I took another trade. This one is a failed second entry long. Why am I taking failed second entry long now, where I took a second entry long now here? Because here we had uptrend that needs new high to be tested. Now the uptrend played out and we have reversal pattern below EMA while the downtrend is still in play. So the second entry long will trap buyers because uptrend played out and we are in a trend range. I don't like how we're correcting, but I simply need to hold this. Nothing I can do. I use deep limit order because the bar was quite big and I don't want to go short to very low. But you can see uptrend break new high. We are in a trend range. Most breakouts fail. Fail breakout back below EMA. New high first entry long. Second entry long failure below EMA. Off the trend line. Only thing that worries me a little bit is potential overshoot that can cause stronger pullback. But the overshoot is so tiny. I simply am betting on prices going more lower than higher. Of course, anything can happen, but we are below the resistance, off the EMA, off the trend line. This is a failed second entry long. I simply need to risk it. We need one more tick. Come on. Perfect. And we are out. So this was beautiful price action. Everything played out according to rules. Fantastic day. I like days like this. It's only 30 minutes after open and I already have 2 trades. So once again, perfect price action. We are in a range. So you follow the trend line rule, uptrend, break new high, great second entry long, reversal pattern because uptrend played out, back into the range, most breakouts fell, and a failed second entry long, 3 key entry points, just perfect reversal pattern, perfect price action. This is what price action trading is about. A lot of strategies on the internet are teaching you a lot of flashy stuff because it looks flashy, it looks enticing for novice traders, but trading is simple. You just need to learn the skill, remain patient, disciplined, follow the rules, but trading price action is simple. It's all about having the experience of doing it a lot and following the rules, being patient when the market is choppy. And when the market offers great setups, you need to enter. All right, traders, I'm going to tighten the runner to around 4.5 points. And once again, I'm going to keep tightening this. If we keep pushing lower, and we will either hit the target profit or get stopped.